Hello, Louie. This is Robert Reed at Louisville Digital Marketing. I saw you over at the home show, and I talked with you just for a few minutes, and you gave me your card, and I'm sending you out this video so you can get some tips on how your websites can speak Google's language so that you can start bringing in more customers for free. I'm doing this because I used to own a remodeling company in Louisville, so I understand that business owners reach the point where they're so busy running a business they don't have time to sit in front of a computer screen, keep their website updated so the customers can keep coming in the front door. We found that only thing holding back owners from hiring their own marketing agency is obviously they don't know what marketing agencies are going to be an expert or which ones are going to be a waste of time and money. So we found that by giving this value up front and giving away these free attack plans, there's a lot of owners who end up reaching out to us and asking us for help so they can get this stuff completed. So after this video, you can see that we know what we're talking about. You know that we can deliver good work for you. Then you can always give us a call and we can have a chat, or if you want to take the information and use it for free education, that's okay. The first thing I want to talk about today is content, citation, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage, and it looks really good. Unfortunately, Google isn't ranking based on the appearance of your site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning all the content within your website to try and find keywords to rank you for search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the front page and at least 500 words on these service pages. So you want to have a rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every one keyword. If your website is set up like this, it helps Google see that you're an expert in the industry, not a spam site, and Google will put your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. So I'm using this keyword which customers would use to search for you. The keyword would be AC repair, Louisville. You could use any search. I just grabbed that one. So the ads at the top, these are all just ads. And basically anymore, people are shying away from ads, and they're using ad blockers on their search engine so that they can avoid getting these. So these are not the most favorite section. The best section is right here in the Google Maps, where people can see where you're at and they can see if you're close, and they've got your phone number and everything right here. This is the most trusted areas for search on Google, an area that most people click on and where mobile users click on more often. So by keeping with stellar reviews, it'll keep you on top. The next thing you want to get is more citations. A citation is just an online directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There are thousands of directories you can put your website on, and you always want to get more than your competition has, and you want to beat them out. We have the tools to find out which directory your competition is on and how to put more on for you. The next section is the organic search section, and it's just basically nothing more than a Google dance all the time. They're always switching back and forth in here. So we're going to use a competitor to compare against your website, and I picked out Jarbo's. So I'm going to use them as your competitor just for the remainder of this video because they're doing something right on their website. So here's their site. It's something within their content, and it's actually their med tags that's helping them. They have hardly any content, but the way they do their mega tags or their descriptions within their page is what Google is really registered and giving them more authority. So we want to fix that. There are going to be easy for you guys to be at the top. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and this is the Ahrefs of your site. And what it does is it takes all Google's analytics and puts it together in one little spot for us. So your UR, you're actually doing really good. Your UR this is what Google thinks of you, is a 26 out of 100. And your domain power is low, but it's 0.8 out of 100. And you've got 435 backlinks, which is a really good start. coming from 68 different websites. And you have you've been found for 193 keywords, and you're getting 106 traffic coming in. Now, I've looked in here, and a lot of your traffic is becoming from your branding name, which is cair HVAC. And all this traffic here is because of your brand and your name, which means basically it's not coming from the website. It's coming from somewhere else that you've advertised, or you have you've gone to some kind of research, or somebody's heard about you in another way besides the website. The website, there's probably about 40 or 50 people coming in because of your website. So that's the part we need to improve. So Google loves competition, and I want to kind of look over your competition and just kind of compare. They've got a lot of information on here, a lot of good keywords. They could use more, but they're killing it. And just to show you their numbers, their UR is 37, their domain rating is 33. Remember, yours was 0.8, and they've got over 2,000 backlinks coming from 631. Just to pop back, oops. So they've got 8,000 keywords, and here's the key right here. They're getting 4,700 traffic every single month. I don't even know what that works out per day. 30 divided into 4,700 is a lot. It's a lot of traffic in one day. So if you're interested in improving traffic, this is an example. And I tell you what, the competition is not very good in Louisville. This is the one site that I found that actually is doing very well. A lot of people are doing about what you're doing and less. So to beat even them, which would put you way above everybody else, wouldn't take much to do. You basically have to increase your keywords, increase your backlink up to this point, increase your referring domains in your keywords, and get more citations from different directories and put them on here. And you could very well be at this point. And it wouldn't come right away and quick, but it would come within a couple months. You could have this kind of traffic. So I've kind of laid out what you need, and it's basically content with the keywords that people are searching for, and here are the keywords. I mean, they're all right here. They've got furnace won't turn on, and this is what people are searching for. Now, some of this is national volume, but if you get something with Louisville included in there, air conditioner repair, there's 250 people in volume coming in and looking for that. And heating pump versus air conditioning, that's a keyword, national keyword. But there's still a lot of people searching for this stuff. So there's a real potential of getting a lot of business that you could actually take from them and bring it over to your site. You've got a beautiful site, but like I said, Google doesn't care about how beautiful it is. They care about whether you're a relevant site for air conditioning, and that you are the person that people need to come to as an expert. And when you're noted as an expert with Google, they'll send you all the business you want. And it's as simple as that. So I know this is a lot of information. If you need to reach out to us, please feel free to. Our team is really looking forward to any kind of feedback that you can give value to what we're sending in these videos. If you need help with meta tags or citations or backlinks or any of this stuff, I just know for sure that we can keep your phone ringing off the hook. And so just let us know, and thank you very much for sending this. And we guarantee every bit of results that we do because we know what we're doing. But I thank you for taking the time to listen to it, and I appreciate you were kind enough to talk to us out there, and I appreciate you. Thanks a lot, Louis. Bye.